Are you looking to add a visual break or create a more organized layout on your WordPress website? A divider can be a simple yet effective tool to enhance your website design. So in this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through the process of adding a divider to your WordPress website using responsive add-ons for Elementor plugin. So let's get started. So we'll do this in 3 steps. Step 1 is to install and activate responsive add-ons for Elementor plugin. And for that, log into your WordPress admin dashboard and navigate to plugins. Then click on add new plugin. Now here, search for responsive add-ons for Elementor. And when you find this plugin, click on install now and then click on activate. Responsive add-ons for Elementor has been successfully activated. Step 2 is to add the RAE Divider widget to your website. Now go to the page or post where you want to add the widget and then click on edit with Elementor. And then on the left hand panel, search for RAE Divider. And when you find this widget, just drag and drop it wherever you want to add it. And this is how it will look by default. And step 3 is customizing and styling the RAE Divider widget. So now let's start customizing the divider. So the first option under Content tab is Divider. And under Divider, the first setting is Choose Layout. So from here, you can choose between plain, text, icon and image layout for the divider. So if you go ahead with plain, you will see these options. So under Direction, you get 2 options, horizontal and vertical. Under Divider Position, you can choose between inline and block. From here, you can enable or disable Show Left Divider. So if you don't want to show the left divider, you can disable this option. And if you want to show both the dividers, you can enable this option. And under Left Divider Width, so from here, you can change the width of the left divider. And you can enable or disable Right Divider from here. And you can adjust the width of the right divider from here. And you can change the alignment of the divider from here. So if you want to display a divider on the center of the page, you can choose center. Or if you want to display the dividers on the ends of your pages, then you can select either left or right. Go to next layout, which is text. So if you select text, then you will get one option here. Then under text, you can change the divider text. You can write whatever you want here. And under HTML tag, you can choose between these tags. Now let's go back to layout again and choose icons. So this time from here, you can choose from the library of icons. Now if you select image as your layout, so you can add an image from here and it will be displayed like this. Now let's go to the next tab, which is style tab. So from here, you can change the vertical position of the divider and you can change the style of the divider. You can adjust the height of the divider and width of the divider from here. And you can change the divider color before and after. So you can go ahead and click here and change the color and after color like this. So from here, you can change the position of the image. So whether you want to keep it between the divider or on the sides of the divider, and you can adjust the width of the image from here, and you can adjust the radius of the image, and you can adjust the spacing between divider and the image from here. So similarly, if you go back to content and under layout, you choose different layouts such as text. And when you come back to style, you will see text as a section here. And here you can customize the text. Similarly, you can customize the icon or plain divider as well. So once you're done with all the changes, go ahead and click on publish. And once it's published, go ahead and click on preview changes to see the live changes on your website. And that's how you can easily add a divider on your WordPress website using responsive add-ons for Elementor plugin. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.